Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore some of the very cool things in our Roof Wizard software. Today I want to look at the annotation of your metal panels. Now, if we just generate the panels with whatever we've got there now, and we've come up with a set of numbers, you'll see there's a bit of difference between the annotation on the drawing and the sheet length in our cut list. Well, that's because over here under our allowances, we've got the annotation set to panel length only. And normally, most of our customers, you don't want to be cutting sheets to within 5/8 and 7/8 and all that stuff. So what we would normally do is at least round it to the nearest 1 inch. And if we're going to do that, we would then tell the software to annotate it with the rounded panel length. So if we hit OK on that and then annotate the job again, you'll see it's been rounded up to the nearest whole inch, and those numbers now match our drawing. So a neat little trick to ensure that when you deliver the cutting list and the documentation that supports the installation of your roof sheets, that what you provide in both ends of the job are exactly the same and are correct for that job. That's about it for Feature Friday for today, and I look forward to chatting to you again very soon. Have a good day.